Okay, so I'm doing this little short video on the island of Dominica. I shot it from my drone off of the sailing yacht Sur L'eau, which this was the owner's maiden voyage that we took from January into February. And we took some great friends. We started out in Grenada and we ended up in St. Kitts. So we've basically sailed from this southern island tip that I'm pointing to here, and we sailed up, went to basically every island on this chain, Dominica, and then we eventually ended up, I guess we went up on the past. By the way, Montserrat's interesting, but you got to read the history of that. Wouldn't recommend stopping there necessarily at this point. We ended up here on St. Kitts. So there's where we ended up, but the day's video is about Dominica, and I believe we spent 2 nights in on anchor, and we were here at this Portsmouth, and we were anchored about where I'm pointing right here. There's actually an old Fort Shirley that's wrong here. There's a dock right here. There's some cool little bars here, and this is this small city. This is the most incredibly natural island probably left in the Caribbean. I even hesitate to even tell anybody about it because it is such a untouched natural beauty island once you get away from the cities that it's hard to describe unless you go there. It has unbelievable, it's actually got quite a bit of altitude change. There's rainforest, there are numerous waterfalls, great hikes, just unbelievable natural beauty. We hiked to a falls called Syndicate Falls, which there's a little bit of photo there. There's another photo of it. It doesn't look that doesn't look as high as it really is. We actually went underneath the fall, and it literally will knock you down to the ground. There's so much water coming off of it. But we swam it. I got one little short drone video there, but it wasn't very good quality, so I'm not going to post it. So anyway, I'll show you the drone. This was actually the first night drone video I think I've made, and this is Sur L'eau. It's a 745 privilege that we purchased in 2018 and did an extensive refit throughout the year of 2019, and we took our first cruise. It was a charter cruise. We weren't on it at Christmas, New Year's, 2019-20, and then this was the first owner's cruise where we took a number of our very best friends and had a great time. And so this is a video I shot in February of 2020 in that same area of that Portsmouth Bay area. I believe now I'm looking. That's the marina right here. As I'm scanning around, there wasn't much going on there. It was really interesting on this island that this was right when the COVID thing was first kind of starting. There was a Disney cruise ship that we actually saw the day before we took anchor at this point, and it was going to St. Lucia. The St. Lucian government wouldn't let the Disney cruise ship port in St. Lucia, so they were eventually were able to get this island Dominica to allow them to take anchorage and send their guests ashore. And the islanders we talked to were just absolutely livid. They were just livid about the whole situation. They thought their government wasn't, standing behind them and all that. And so it was kind of eye opening because at the time we didn't think much of it. We were already kind of like, oh, this is just going to be a bunch of crap. So it just shows you how things changed from basically this was early February 2020 until today is May the 5th of 2020 when I'm doing this little editing. So anyway, I wanted you guys to see that. I have another video that I want to show you as well. Let me drag this one over here. And is this the one? No, this isn't the one. Here's the one. So this is at about 1,000 foot altitude. So it's not much movement. I'll wait till it to finish, and then I'll show you what you're seeing. So this is the marinas around about where I'm pointing here, and then there was a hotel right here, and then there's a cool little bar here. This is the coastline you're seeing right where I'm pointing, and all these dots out here are boats that are that are on moorings. We're at anchored, so we're a little further out, and we just anchored and we spent a couple of nights. But again, if you ever have a chance to go to Dominica, I highly, highly recommend it. It's a beautiful place, very natural, and I hope you liked this video. If you did like it, I hope you subscribe to the channel, and I'm going to try to start doing more for you. Thanks so much.